Hey guys, welcome to yet another video, and in this video we'll be going to discover and give a walkthrough of how you can generate hyper realistic AI images using the ChatGPT. So currently, as you can see on the screen, I am on my ChatGPT and I have the Pro version for this as a subscription, which gives me higher access to image generation compared to a normal model. So, if I talk about generating images with ChatGPT Plus, it is simple and powerful. All you will need to do is just type a descriptive prompt in the chat, and you can then ask it to refine the image, adjust the aspect ratio, or add specific detail. And we will be going to cover all of this in this particular video. So ChatGPT Plus primarily uses the ChatGPT Images 2.0, which is also recognized as GPT Image 2 as its underlying image engine. So unlike older image modules that treated image creation as a separate task, this modern generation framework is deeply unified with OpenAI's core language pipeline. So this engine is actually really interesting, so let us better see it in action than just talking about it. So what you will need to do is first simply open a new chat, or you can also press the Control Shift and the O shortcut key, and you will need to come to this website, that is chatgpt.com, and then you will need to type in a descriptive prompt. So the more details you want, the more things we want to add on, make sure that you write it in your prompt. So an example of such prompt would be, let's say, to generate a photo realistic image of a cat playing a piano in a cozy room. Okay, so as here you can see, I have added this prompt. Then after adding the prompt, one of the important things that you can do is simply click onto this plus option and click onto this create image button. Now this specifically orders the chat gpt to generate a particular image, and from here you can choose the aspect ratio. So for example, if you are generating any YouTube thumbnails, you can go for the 16:9, or if you are generating any Instagram story, then you can go for the 9:16, or even if you are going for any Instagram post, you can generate it in 3:4. For WhatsApp DPs, you can use the square 1:1, or if you want it in any landscape or any orientation, you can set it to auto like I am doing right here. Then once you're done with this, you can also select the model as well as how much time it will be going to take in creating that image. The more time it takes, the more refined the images come, but for the sake of this video and to save time, I'll be keeping it to the latest model 5.5 with the instant thinking. So you can see currently it is set to thinking. I will simply choose it instant so we can have an idea of how fast and how refined the images can be generated within a shorter span. So as you can see, once I have finished with the prompt writing, you can see that this particular canvas has popped up where it is currently generating the images, and it throws in some random words like sketching it out or etc. So, with some of the pro tips that I would like to give personally to generate better images, includes that you must be specific. So, you should describe the subject, background, lighting, and art style as well if you are really into this and you really want a great image or production ready. So, for example, you can describe the art style like the oil painting, 3D render, cyberpunk, and etc. Then you should also include text. So unlike earlier tools, the native ChatGPT image generators are great at spelling out specific words, but you should be sure to put the text in quotation marks in your prompt. So this is one of the things that would be really helpful if your image contains text. Then you can also upload references as well. So you can upload an existing image and tell ChatGPT to edit this image or generate a variation of this style, which we'll be going to do with this image. As you can see right here, this one is the image of a cat playing a piano, and it actually looks quite nice with the ChatGPT engine generating this one. Now you can also edit this using this edit button right here. You can simply describe your edit. So for example, let's say I can simply type in remove the book from the piano, instead add a realistic action figure of Tom from Tom and Jerry. So now you can see I have described the edit. I will simply send this prompt and it will create the new version of this particular image, so that you don't have to create a whole new image just for the sake of some minor edits within this particular image, which will be your original referencing. Apart from that, you can also copy this particular image. You can also click onto this option in order to upload this image, and also like or dislike, or you can share this image using link directly to your X account, to your LinkedIn account, Reddit account, or you can simply download it in high res using this particular download button as well. So now you can see it says sorry, but the image we created may violate guidelines. So maybe there is also issues that it can bypass the copyright. So due to those issues, it might not be able to generate that, but maybe we can add it. So we can simply type in action figure of a cat playing a violin. So here you can see that we have adjusted the prompt. This one was to show you that there are specific violations. If ChatGPT does detect any, then in that case the image will not be generated and you are get thrown this particular error. So you can see we are trying it out again. It is currently sketching it out. Let's see what it's going to build. So apart from that, uploading references, if you also need to batch create several images, you can also consider using a specialized custom GPT designed for image generation to help organize your prompts. Also, keep in mind that while ChatGPT Plus provides extended capabilities compared to the free tier, messages and image generation limits do apply. So if you hit an image generation cap, the model will prompt you to wait a specific amount of time, usually 10 to 30 minutes before resuming. And here you can see that it has generated this one really beautifully, and we can see that the notes has been replaced by this action figure cat playing a violin. So yes, this is one of the reasons to use ChatGPT for AI image creation and hyper realistic images. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.